Dia kalas. Strawberry kayo dyan. May kamatis din. Sige, go ka. Go, forward ka. Ayan o, ito.
Oh, this one?
Oh yeah, that one. Yan. Oh, doon sa kabila. Sa kabilang line. Yeah, that one. The other one. Wow, strawberry picker na ang anak ko. Ayun. Ay, to. Ayan o. Yan.
To?
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Yeah. Oh, doon. Ayun. Hi guys, sa strawberry farm kami guys. Oh, wait, I can see. No, it's too small. You can eat now. This one.
How about this? Is this?
Sige na, go na. Hanapin mo yung big. Ayun oh, big oh. Ayun doon. Ayun. Look, doon. Yun.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one. Ang bango guys, ang bango. Oh, there's another one here. There. Yeah.
I'm getting so much.
Oh,
Ito?
the red one. Oh, come on, go.
Sana matamis.
Yung ripe siguro matamis, pero yung medyo green maasim eh. Oo,
This one.
That one maasim yan.
Ah,
Yun. Yung ano red na red ayun sa baba oh.
right here?
Yeah, that one. Ay, yung isa pa.
Saan? Ito?
Yan. Yeah, that one. Oh, nahulog na.
Just wash it. It's fine.
Go, Cord. Yan guys, oh, strawberry.
Fine, look big. Right there.
Ayan, strawberry ulit. Oh, there's a bees. Don't bite me, bees. Ang daming bunga. Inaalagaan din nila ang mga bees. Ayan. Oh. Yung iba hilaw pa. Oh, ito pa. Cute nila. Ito. Dito super dami oh. Yan, super dami ang bunga niya. Ang dami. Daming bunga. Ito pa. Ay, nako, ang dami talaga, guys. Ito, lalaki, oh. Wow. Super nice. Wow. Strawberry pea. Nasa hanging strawberry kami guys. Ayun. Ang mga strawberries nila. So ripen na. Ito pa. Ito pa guys. Ayun o, daming doon. Ayun. Okay.